Hi everyone, welcome back to Gardening from Square One. And if you're new here, welcome. So, based on the sold out plants that I'm already beginning to see on the online nursery websites, I know that many of you are already shopping for your spring gardens too. So, with that in mind, today I have something truly special to share with you. If you've ever wondered about the one must have plant that every garden with flowers should have, then please stay tuned. So, with its stunning blooms, irresistible fragrance, and ability to attract butterflies and other pollinators, this plant is the superstar that your garden could be missing. I'm excited to make the case for Buddleia, commonly known as the butterfly bush, as the one flowering plant that should be in every garden. And here's why. First off, this beauty is renowned for its long arching flower spikes that come in a variety of colors. So, from luscious purples, red to bright whites, pinks, and even yellow. And they will grace your garden throughout the growing season. Not only do these plants create a breathtaking display, but the flowers release a sweet nectar that draws in butterflies, hummingbirds, and other beneficial insects. Every bloom is like a little buffet for butterflies. So, this bush not only beautifies your garden, but it is an essential addition to any pollinator friendly garden. Additionally, Buddleia is an incredibly versatile plant. Thriving in zones 5 through 10, it is a hardy shrub that can withstand a variety of conditions, whether that be sunny borders or more challenging spots in your garden. If you're in zones 3 or 4, don't worry. You can still enjoy this fantastic plant by growing it in pots to be easily moved to protected spots during the winter. Buddleia can be grown in all soil types, and even those that have a pH that dips down to 5.0, or those that range all the way up to 8.5, and even in poor soil. This plant is relatively low maintenance, so requiring little to no soil amending or fertilizer applications. And if you have clay soil, just plant it high right into your soil to ensure proper drainage and to prevent root rot. Overall, plant it and watch this drought tolerant plant grow, requiring only a bit of pruning after the plant leaves out in spring. This will help to ensure that it stays healthy and vigorous year after year. These plants do not want to be pampered, which is great for beginning or very busy gardeners. There are even beautiful varieties that address importation bans as they are sterile varieties. So, whether you have space for a plant growing to about 18 inches in height and width, to those reaching heights of over 10 feet, or those that create a beautiful cascading mound, there is a Buddleia for you. Buddleia's leaves are typically elongated and land shaped with a slender and tapered profile. They usually grow between 4 to 10 inches in length. The upper surface of the leaves is a rich, vibrant green that can appear somewhat glossy, while the underside showcases a lighter, silvery green hue that is covered in little fine hairs. This texture gives them a soft, velvety feel that contrasts beautifully with the bright blossoms of this plant. Now, when crushed, Buddleia leaves emit a subtle fragrance that can resemble the sweet aroma of its flowers, which contributes to the plant's overall appeal. These leaves are not just a supporting player, their elongated shapes, textured surface, and glistening greens makes them an attractive feature in their own right. But it's not just the stunning colors and leaves of this carefree, sun loving plant that makes it a favorite. It is also the delightful, sweet, honey like fragrance that is present but not too overpowering. Now, you can smell it from a distance, though the scent can perfume the air, especially when Buddleia is planted in mass. Its fragrance is actually one of the reasons why it attracts so many butterflies, bees, and pollinators. They can't resist this aromatic treat. I love spending my mornings just inhaling the scent, enjoying the plant's beauty, watching the pollinators dance around from bloom to bloom while I enjoy my coffee. It is such a serene start to the day. If you're considering adding Buddleia to your garden, Remember to place it in full sun for the best blooms and fragrance. Trust me, your garden will become a magnet for wildlife. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the Buddleia, also known as butterfly bush, is a must have for every garden. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and notifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day in your garden.